Imagine a world where every digital interaction is seamless. The OSI model is the unsung hero making this possible. It's the invisible framework behind every email, video call, and online transaction you make. Understanding the OSI model is your first step to mastering technology. It's not just for tech experts. It's for anyone who wants to navigate the digital world with confidence and ease, and critical to understand for virtually any certification path involving technology. The OSI model consists of 7 layers, each playing a unique role in data transmission. From the physical layer to the application layer, every step ensures your data reaches its destination securely. Consider how streaming a movie involves multiple layers of the OSI model. The data is packaged, transmitted, and reassembled, all thanks to this model. It's the silent workhorse of your digital experiences. In cybersecurity, the OSI model is crucial. It helps identify vulnerabilities and protect your digital assets. A deep understanding of these layers can be your shield against cyber threats. Businesses leverage the OSI model to ensure secure operations. By understanding it, you can safeguard your personal and professional data, making you a valuable asset in any organization. Join Arrakis Consulting for expert-led cybersecurity training. Our courses offer internationally recognized certifications, equipping you with the skills to protect your digital future. Contact us today at sales@arrakisconsulting.com or visit www.arrakisconsulting.com. Secure your digital future with Arrakis Consulting and become a leader in cybersecurity.